Welcome to the dates mega factory in Saudi Arabia. You think you know dates? Well, get ready to have your mind blown wider than a blooming date palm, because today we're going on a journey. We're diving deep into the heart of date production, from the moment those little beauties sprout on the palm to the second they're packaged up, ready to hit your taste buds. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the world's most impressive date operation. Right, you lot, this isn't some Mickey Mouse operation we're talking about. This is the dates mega factory, the real deal, pumping out millions of dates every year. We're talking state-of-the-art technology, precision engineering, and a level of hygiene that would make a surgeon proud. Forget everything you think you know about date production. This is next-level stuff. Over here we've got rows of gleaming machinery, sorting, cleaning and packing dates faster than you can say sticky toffee pudding. So put on your aprons, grab your hairnets and get ready for a behind-the-scenes look at the most impressive date factory on the planet. Now, this is what I call a kitchen. This factory is a symphony of stainless steel, conveyor belts humming with efficiency and the sweet aroma of dates filling the air. This is date production for the 21st century. Look at these machines. Each one plays a crucial role in the process. From washing and sorting to pitting and chopping. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance, each movement precise and purposeful. This technology ensures that every single date that leaves this factory meets the highest standards of quality and hygiene. No more picking stones out of your teeth, mate. This is the future of food production, and frankly, it's a beautiful thing to see. This, my friends, is where the magic happens, the dates production line. Just look at it. A river of dates flowing through this incredible system, each one destined for greatness. First they're washed, scrubbed cleaner than you'd believe possible. Then they're sorted by size, weight and even color. Only the best will do. Next, they're pitted with surgical precision. No more wrestling with stubborn stones. This production line is a masterpiece of efficiency, churning out dates with a speed and precision that would make even the most seasoned chef weep with envy. All right, you've seen how they're prepped. Now let's see how these beauties get ready for the big time, the packing line. This is where those perfectly processed dates get dressed to impress. We're talking airtight packaging, precisely weighed portions, and labels that practically scream, "Eat me, you know you want to." These dates are destined for supermarket shelves, restaurant kitchens, and homes all over the world. They're going to be enjoyed in smoothies, baked into cakes, or simply devoured straight from the package. Every single date that leaves this factory is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and passion of the people who made it all possible. Now, let's get out of this factory and into the real heart of it all, the date farms of Saudi Arabia. This isn't just about machines and production lines, you know. It's about the land, the climate, and the generations of farmers who have dedicated their lives to cultivating these little miracles of nature. Just look at these sprawling plantations stretching as far as the eye can see. Rows upon rows of date palm trees standing tall and proud under the scorching desert sun. These farmers, they're artists, coaxing life from the arid land, nurturing these trees with care and expertise that's been passed down through generations. It's back-breaking work, but they do it with a smile because they know they're producing something truly special. So next time you bite into a juicy date, remember the farmers who made it possible. These, my friends, are no ordinary trees. These are date palms, the lifeblood of this region, standing tall and proud like nature's skyscrapers. Each one of these majestic giants is a testament to resilience, thriving in the harshest of conditions. Look at them, their fronds reaching for the sky, soaking up every drop of precious sunlight. They're a symbol of life and abundance in the heart of the desert, and those clusters of dates hanging from their branches. They're like jewels, glistening under the desert sun, just waiting to be plucked and enjoyed. These trees are more than just plants. They're a source of food, shade, and even building materials. Right, you've seen the trees. Now it's time to see how those precious dates get from branch to box. Harvesting time. This is where the real action is, folks. Forget your fancy machines and automated systems. This is all about skill, precision, and a whole lot of guts. These guys, they're fearless, scaling these towering palms with the agility of mountain goats. They work quickly and efficiently, carefully selecting only the ripest dates, their movements honed by years of experience. It's a dangerous job, no doubt about it, but they make it look effortless. They're the unsung heroes of the date industry, risking their necks to bring us these sweet treats. All right, the dates are down from the trees, but the journey's not over yet. It's time for them to go through a transformation, a culinary boot camp, if you will. Dates processing. This is where those freshly harvested dates are sorted, cleaned, and prepped for the world to enjoy. First, they're laid out under the scorching desert sun, naturally drying and concentrating their sugars. It's a time-honored tradition, ensuring that each date is packed with flavor. Then they're sorted by hand, any blemishes removed with expert precision. Only the best dates will make the cut. Finally, they're cleaned, graded, and packed, ready to be shipped off to supermarkets and kitchens around the globe. Listen up, you lot. This isn't just about deliciousness, although let's be honest, that's a major selling point. We're talking about dates' health benefits, the nutritional powerhouse hidden within this unassuming fruit. Forget your sugary snacks and processed junk. Dates are nature's candy, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that'll make your body sing. We're talking fiber for digestion, potassium for your muscles, and natural sugars for an energy boost that won't leave you crashing. So ditch the processed crap and reach for a handful of dates. Your body will thank you for it. Don't let their small size fool you. These little guys are nutritional giants. We're talking dates high in nutrients, packed with more goodness than a Michelin-starred salad. First up, fiber. These bad boys are loaded with it, keeping your digestive system running smoother than a well-oiled engine. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to regularity. Then there's potassium, the electrolyte that keeps your muscles firing on all cylinders. And let's not forget about iron, the mineral that carries oxygen throughout your body, keeping you energized and alert. Listen up, you lot. If you're tired of feeling bloated, sluggish, and generally uncomfortable, then listen up. Dates are nature's answer to digestive woes, a culinary remedy that's been around for centuries. It's all thanks to their high fiber content, both soluble and insoluble, which acts like a broom for your gut, sweeping away toxins and promoting regularity. Forget those expensive probiotics and fancy supplements. A handful of dates a day will keep the doctor away, or at least the gastroenterologist. All right, listen up. All you calorie counters and diet devotees, think you can't indulge your sweet tooth while watching your waistline? Think again. Dates are the secret weapon for weight loss, a guilt-free indulgence that'll satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your diet. They're packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings that have you reaching for the cookie jar. Plus, their natural sugars provide a sustained energy release, preventing those energy crashes that leave you reaching for a sugary pick-me-up. So ditch the diet pills and meal replacement shakes and reach for a handful of dates instead. So there you have it, from the heart of Saudi Arabia's date plantations to the cutting-edge technology of the mega factory. We've taken you on a journey through the incredible world of date production. Remember, these aren't just dates. They're nuggets of natural goodness, packed with flavor, nutrition, and a whole lot of love. So next time you bite into a date, savor the moment. Appreciate the hard work, dedication, and passion that went into bringing this little piece of deliciousness to your plate.